Gardening really gives new surprises every day. Today, after finishing my daily routine work, I went and put the kitchen scraps into my compost bucket. When I looked inside, I saw that from the vegetable waste I had thrown earlier, sweet potatoes had started growing tiny plants. I was so surprised. I immediately took them out and brought them with me. Then I washed them properly and cleaned them. I took a plastic bottle, filled it with soil, and planted those little plants in it. After that, I'm giving them some water. Now I'm just waiting to see the results.